Hello everyone, I'm Jensen. Today is Wednesday, June 2nd, and that means today nearly all of the state's public health orders are no more. But that doesn't mean things are completely back to normal just yet. So I'm going to break down what's staying, what's going, plus I'll reveal the names of the next two winners of Ohio's vax-a-million lottery to get you in the loop. So let's start with what's going. First up, of course, the mask order is now lifted by the state in most situations for everyone, regardless of vaccination status. And businesses are no longer mandated by the state to enforce mask compliance within their doors. However, businesses do still have the right to require masks on their own. So it's probably best to check what your specific destination has in place before you head out the door. Most major grocery chains, for instance, seem to be sticking with CDC guidance, which states that vaccinated people can go maskless, but unvaccinated people should keep that mask on. Schools are in a similar boat. Now, it's up to each individual district if they want to continue enforcing masks and social distancing measures. These things are no longer required by the state, but Ohio Governor Mike DeWine has said that for those schools that may still be in session, that would probably be a good idea to keep them around through the rest of the school year. And technically, cities and counties could keep their own mask mandates around like they did before it was a statewide thing. For example, folks in Columbus do still have to wear a mask until at least June 7th when the city council can vote. But overall, that seems like a rare thing. And in Northwest Ohio specifically, it looks like all our counties are sticking with the state on this one. Long story short, basically the state isn't requiring masks anymore, but individual places might. Same goes for social distancing and capacity limits. State mandates are gone, but as more concerts and sporting events make their way back, venues can make their own rules, and they have a right to do so. So always check your event's website before heading out because things are changing pretty much on a daily basis. So with that, let's take a quick look at what's sticking around. So first off, none of these changes apply to nursing homes and assisted living facilities where social distancing and masks will still be in play. So those facilities, as well as grade schools, are also still required to notify residents, students, parents, or other relevant parties of any positive or probable COVID-19 cases. And really, that's it. So with these big changes, health officials are saying that getting more people vaccinated is vital. Right now, roughly 37% of Ohioans are fully vaccinated and nearly 46% have received at least one dose of the shot. Ohio Department of Health Chief Medical Officer Dr. Bruce Vanderhoff reminded us all today that we're still battling this pandemic, and he urged people to stay a bit cautious.
I do think that the caution you've heard all of us express about relaxing our guard too much about COVID-19 and its continuing threat needs to be heeded as well. To the extent that people are not able or not willing to receive a vaccine, they really owe it to themselves and the people they care about to consider masking and distancing when they're around others.
But more and more Ohioans have been getting their COVID-19 shot since the announcement of the state's vaccine lottery incentive called vax-a-million. And tonight, we learned the names of the two winners of the $1 million and a 4-year full ride scholarship. And would you look at that, a man living right here in Toledo is the winner of the big $1 million prize. So congratulations to you, Jonathan Carlisle. We'll hear more from him, I'm sure, in the coming days. And that 4-year scholarship went to Zoe Vincent, a student in Mayfield Village in Cuyahoga County. So congratulations to you too, Zoe. But you can still register for the remaining 3 Vax-a-Million drawings. Just go to ohiovaxamillion.com or you can call 1-833-4-ASK-ODH. To be eligible, you just have to be vaccinated before the drawing, be a permanent resident of Ohio, and for the $1 million drawing specifically, you have to be 18 or older. But that is all I have for you today. If you like this video, hit that like button and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Jensen and now you're in the loop.